after the Man City for Abeji atum say no crack. Pep Echo.
Yeah.
And he say the say oh this sound common now which make say official. Say Pep Echo. Now around the same time, and Manchester United and so confirm say omo de adwuma no ama Carrick. And omo posted behind the scenes interviewer Carrick which will be in the first after you confirming the CCC no on no be a head coach of Manchester United. And Ushe behind the scenes video now, the interview is being done by Rooney.
Okay.
Now me share two situations, in the same city, Manchester. No?
Yeah.
One story be a money bamitrim. Time Pep Eka say or cost sabbatical leave or from Bayern. Unim say Senka Bibia course near a crew Manchester United na oma for madrena. And Pep will not go to the blue side, but go back to the red side.
Oh, okay.
In fact, the red side and they make it the first move on Pep with that meeting between Sir Alex Ferguson and Pep Guardiola at that dinner at Manchester Cronum. Now, Sir Alex Ferguson say, onim unse oko England Cronum. Yaka United Kingdom your Ireland for no your Scottish for no any other enomi na kabom no UK. Now obiaka brofo de but ebi mu brofo no
dane
yes ebi mu de no
asante different
yes. And according to Sir Alex Ferguson, and this story has been confirmed by Pep, say Sir Alex Ferguson onye English or onye Scottish.
Almost brofo different.
Yes. And Pep say he was first starstruck. Tamo Alex Ferguson was penny our legacy. But the Ukrainian say during the dinner meeting, a lot of the things Ferguson kind of want here.
Ready nyamia.
Enka Manchester United omo plan say omo pe figure bi ama wakoton Manchester project no ade ama Pep no wa convince Pep say Pep be free Bayern na ni destination be England anka umbra the red side of Manchester United no they couldn't achieve it because of accents.
Wow.
And Pep say after the meeting he came as an opportunity to meet Ferguson keke.
Got one to yes,
one but from Bebrea or kind of antias here. Look, yet say don't underrate it if you meet Jimmy Carragher. Now, one way or no back for 1 hour.
Yeah, true.
That is the reason why even on CBS, say Omotinase as panel, Michael Richards, Thierry Henry, Jimmy Carragher, na Kate A host the moment a Carragher Western saw Casa, no more
because of the accents.
Yes, there are sometimes Carragher can say we are Michael Richards a root Thierry Henry say, oh yeah, sure, so what's here, Samana Carragher kind. There are sometimes they've raised players on their screen for interview. Interview session, Obia be busa the questions. Edu Carragher nkwano busa questions na. Oboso omu head root player they say, oh yeah, sure, so what's question na. There are some accents adding so betiase. And to Manchester United and Pep, that is a major reason why Pep went to the blue side. But Oko blue side also wasn't just a coincidence. City made sure say omule foundation to be able to lure Pep to Omo side. At the American wasem before a Pep beja to mumposo be coach Man City no. Na from baby a wote no. Otu na anywhere Manchester United, Manchester Chrono, no her blue side honor. He could see two people are you so connected with when it comes to football in Ferran Soriano and it's Cleveland Stan as the CEO and the sporting director then. Inti Oshawa nkofo mi no mu ye adwuma o man ewo Barcelona. Nkofo mi no mu ye adwuma no me a very very good relationship with them. Mi meet Ferguson man tefe. Inti se Man City ba na omumpo beka kire me say look wo Pep Quentina ye de nkofo abetimi no mu ye adwuma easily na ba o. Inti brane no mu ye adwuma. After meeting Sir Alex Ferguson, say me ko share Soriano any Beglistana. Omo dia mini omo common bibi o make bi ameti ase. And mini omo ye adwuma there so they know how to easily convince me to come and do the job. I'm going to be 10 solid years. Pep came, Pep conquered 20 trophies in 10 years. Major ones, including treble. And now Pep every Manchester Chronic. The only thing Manchester United LBT City and the number of the trophies they've won. Basa ebase yaji Premier League, ya dominating an era, yaji treble. Pep is giving the blue side the opportunity to also make those statements in debates on the streets of Manchester. So Manchester United ni Asia Man City niya on team for treble no. On team for dominating an era in English football no. On team for Magic Premier League, Magic FA Cup nibi. On team for no. The only thing will be the number of times they've won so many times. But Pep ama Omo first year from noisy neighbors, Rich, Gabi, also became very, very prominent when it comes to football debate on the street. Menkasa Pep, Mkwanaji, the city ajina. Of course, you know, say Roberto Mancini kwaji trophies war Manchester City. Even Pellegrini Crasso echo ye nyoma bi wo. But in the statement of Manchester City, they announced Pep say ampa afedi okono. They wrote it boldly. Say he is the best coach of the football club's history. And there is no doubt about that. And Nhyira, look, he will forever be.
Yeah.
So
maybe.
It's almost impossible, Gabi. Say, answer the Yasibe Kwe. Manchester City will get a coach. I'll bet me about topu Pep. Ni record na waye ohono. In our minds, in logic, it is almost impossible.
Okay.
Na unim biama asem na ehu pa. Pep Guardiola, Barcelona as a great club, will go down as the best manager ever at Barca. And today, he will go down also as the best manager ever at Manchester City. How many coaches never to have two clubs and you are arguably the greatest manager to have ever coached two clubs in your era as a coach. And that is the reason why it will define Pep Guardiola as the greatest manager within your generation. Within your generation, super. Now, may the flyer be to your platform.
Okay.
And I think, say, the flyer gives an indication why Pep felt this is the time. Again, who read this statement now? The first statement during the interview for the exit of Manchester City, or say, and my journalist and I say interview and Mbusano, the entire oko. Because only any reason why he's leaving. But Ofili when he say it is the right time for him to leave. Now, Gabi, which graphics and American wasn't? You put the graphic up, and BB a very, very telling. I was our graphic in him. Ubejedi say since a Pep about limelight as a coach, first team coach, encore 2 seasons are on the league trophy.
From 2016-2017.
Yes.
Ne third 2017-18 no chance here. So we ne twice so 2020 and or third. Ufri obaya no beje wa dia twice so abepen 2025.
You get it. And you encore back-to-back seasons at any team awako are back-to-back on the league.
Okay.
This is the first time we be at no. He must look within him and say, no, me man to also 3 and say my legacy. I have to leave. And Mofo have a way they are honest to themselves when they know, say, this is the time. In the time now, all corner, penny standard numpo, any 2 successful. No, he is leaving City with 2 trophies, the League Cup and the FA Cup. When the applause are high, you leave. And Pep is leaving for me at the right time. Now, Edina Carrick enye biem to convince Jim Ratcliffe Monet, Manchester United fans say, "O deserve Edgeman." Especially Gabi, when there are no guarantees. Say one fair Jumana Makareka, na odi ma assume si anaso obentia, oba, ono obemo Manchester United aye. There are no guarantees. And it is not as if say the major move at Manchester United are making in omu coach and komu pepa numpo adia to so beba in Luis Enrique. Emo bia mremfi say Manchester United nansia akobo Luis Enrique epnumu say komu for Jumedian, the only reason they will not give the job to Carrick is if they are getting him. He is not coming. And see, almost first choice and only choice they are not getting. Uyi Luis Enrique Fiwa. Now show the available coaches Oliver Glasner, Ayala, you World Cup New Year, Thomas Tuchel could be available, Nagelsmann could be available. Usha Umomi available now. No one can guarantee Manchester United say, I will take the team to the top. So if there are no guarantees, you see, sometimes one bird in hand, as some watching 1,000 anyone some. Nti Carrick he has come onto the job. Why you be ama mohu do obetimi aye. Sa utie players na watimi ni mu nyina. Obi aka sempa fa no. Obi ase oba no the relationship e dressing room on eye. Obi ma hint say they can build something with him. So why do you change a winning team? Why do you press a panic button? Abra ehun here. And Carrick is a true and true Mancunian. True and true. And see, me dear, I don't have any problem with Manchester United decision. And in fact, in my eyes, in I think they've made the right decision.
Okay. They've
really made the right decision. Are they going to back him to get the best players available on the market? They can fix those problems. And Italian Pep'S report say Manchester United and Atlanta we on a brand CFR Emerson. These are a defensive midfielder and very good player as a replacement for Casemiro. And say I don't know unless it will turn into the Ugarte story, from hindsight, he's a very good player. If you bought World Cup New Year and they are able to get Elliot Anderson, it means Omu DM role, no Casemiro could they've tightened it up with 2 very promising players. Omu role now with Kobe Meno as almost 6 and 8, then maintain Bruno as almost number 10, and they can be very consistent with Omu performance. No, and see, I don't have any issue with Carrick.
Okay.
Now Kakrebi on England.
Yeah. Now you need feeling common.
Kakrebi. Imagine say Gabi yeti Ghana hey. Na Blasters coach abeto. Na yetwe ni kru 12 midnight. Na Ghana Football Association abe announce say ye de Blasters jumedie no ama a Nigerian. Inti alatani and obe coach Blasters. When we wake up in the morning, what will be our reaction? Ghana for.
Ya do me say ye koton ye numunyam.
Ye ntiase da. And even though ebia ye ntimi nya ho because ya appointed no. Throughout alatani na dwuma obeye at the Blasters level no. You will get majority of the citizens omo ebenya sa attitude of yemienhwe. Because Ghana Blasters iti enya Ghana ni bia oya de eme ye nya country fufu bia coach oya de ye bitterest rival in football alatani ekofa coach. Now that is the same situation with England. The majority of English fans are Gabi ebesin ne omubo nyoso da say a German and a coach English national team no. Because in football omu bitterest rivals. Nancy ABC our German national team no. When omu change omu kits. Omu tire show no. Unse Germany say omu change omu kits no from Adidas to Nike. Now go and watch DW and Keka Emone build mo articles on mature. Almost say it is like the German Chancellor and not the President of Germany. Na all our convoy and answer all car, na onchi Mercedes Benz, na onchi Ford. It doesn't make sense.
Because one kasa what they what
you get it. Adidas is German. You don't go and wear Nike, that is America. Sapepe England for the feeling about a German in Thomas Tuchel coaching their English national team no. And every decision be out Thomas Tuchel since our buy what make it be out. Onimpa our nakume mu say there are opposition people waiting for him to fail and blast him. And the FA for appointing a German as a national team coach.
Okay.
Now, I have a funny feeling. Be say, Thomas Tuchel so a person will catch you almost say. Once he is in charge, or no, and will be taking the final decision on who makes it to the team, and not the English press, and not who they think or yet. English boy or fame or dean and England in here and he would take way more on media they pour massive big boys names I pay and Phil Foden the idea and the 70 on Phil Foden Cole Palmer he says no, I will take decisions based on the ambassador Mekobo. Omo throughout me buying omo inside the team and outside omo ba opportunity bi omo nya bia no the investor omo yema me tactically omo no omo yema me emfa hu ni omo din emfa hu ne club omo bo enye tete na you will take Paul Scholes, Frank Lampard, Manchester United, Chelsea, big clubs and players no go to the World Cup. And they say Newcastle player no ya dia me ni beba. Aston Villa player no ya dia me ni be. I don't mind even bringing Nottingham Forest, any Sunderland players if they are the best for me. Omo na me di omo beko. Now Enra na me di manusi. Whilst I was watching Sky Sports Enra Nyumre. During the back page discussion, and the lady now hosted a black lady, Obusa ni 2 panel members and they say. Se ushe edina Thomas Tuchel edi beko World Cup na. Na ushe ebinum how unpopular eye. For instance, you were mentioning say why Spence ahead of Trent. Adetina Cole Palmer anyhow. Adetina Phil Foden anyhow. Why will you choose Obi to say Dan Ben?
Yeah.
Any John Stones ahead of Harry Maguire? Those are not popular decisions. Now, does it add more pressure? Because okay, you've taken decisions and you're popular within the country. And already comfort woman answers to woman no Rich Gabi sa situation na Thomas Tuchel woman does it add more pressure for him say and yeah the only option is to perform
yeah, of course. What was it? The Albert mean
exactly, and the other corner, yeah, no, you're going so. Yes, we say, Omuna who defend this, Omuna, we are good. So, Sadia, you know, they will go England, they will go and support.
Before them, crowd, you Jude Bellingham, Nessas. No, Mokai, I was already the Abayano. I know Mujana, the Abay.
And you see, apart from the squad now, one name, you know, getting the first 11 out of it will also bring another controversy.
Okay, yeah, young friends, you are
at the end of the day, I know your coach. I know decision. And yeah, go walk up, no.
Yeah.
Baby, England be Rubiano.
Young friend, straight, and now Ghana.